Hey Herbie, so I'm going to show you how to send a token that you've created on Token Farm. So once you've logged into your wallet, you can go to send, because that's you want to send something. So you don't want to send HTML, you want to send a token, presumably something that's not something that you see here. Like you can't see your token. So you go to more. And then you'll put the token contract address in here, search, and it'll find it as simply as that. On our Block Explorer, I found a, I really think I've already clicked on it, debt-free NFT, contract address. So if you're on a Block Explorer, go to tokens, put in the name of your token, contract address, copy, back to the Altash web platform, paste it in here, search, see it's found it, confirm, but I actually don't have any in this wallet, but you know, this is how it works. And then I would put the address I want to send to and how much of the token I want to send, and that's it, simple as that. So just to go over that again, you'll go to send. If you can't see the token you want to send in when you're scrolling around here, you go to more, put your token contract address here, search, confirm, and done. If there's anything that's not clear, please don't hesitate to let me know. Cheers.